Friends, in this video we will learn about the FIAT Bogie secondary suspension parts assemble process. If you want to learn how does secondary suspension work, click the I button link. All these parts are assembled on the bogie frame. At first, minor rubber is used to tacked with bolster and side frame, for under pressure plug locking to eliminate shifting problem. Centering disc. Inner and outer spring. Centering disc. Minor rubber pad. Bolster beam. Also there is anti-roll bar. Vertical damper. Lateral damper. Safety cables. And traction rod.